And one of those songs was written by a group called the Capris. Actually, a wonderful man who has passed since wrote this. Nick Santamaria wrote this song. And he started writing this in 1962. Didn't get around to finishing it till 1984. And it goes like this.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Baby, come home to me. But I send my baby a telegram, asking her to be her man, begging her to come back home to me. Well, I've got the eyes and I brushed the teeth, but I'm begging pretty please. Baby, baby, come back home to me. Baby, I want your love. Honey, I need your love. Baby, baby, come back home to me. Got to have your love. Can't live without your love. Baby, baby, come back home to me. Well, I made mistakes, yes, it's true, but the biggest one I made. Baby, baby, come back home to me. Well, I thought that she would understand. Another woman wouldn't understand. Not anymore, so come back home to me. Baby, I want your love. Honey, I need your love. Baby, baby, come back home to me. Got to have your love. Can't live without your love. Baby, baby, come back home to me. Baby, come home to me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Come back, baby, come home to me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Come back, baby, come home to me. Rock and roll! Baby, I want your love. Honey, I need your love. Baby, baby, come back home to me. Got to have your love. Can't live without your love. Baby, baby, come back home to me. Baby, come home to me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Come back, baby, come home to me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Come back, baby, come home to me.